We're doing a little landscaping in addition to the pond today. We got our pond going in right here, 7x9. We're gonna put in some stone back there at the back so that when we berm up back there, it's not getting any soil against the wall. You definitely want to make sure that these guys stay open. These are the vents underneath the slab, so if there's any extra moisture buildup, it can get out from there. So we're gonna have our berm back here, do some landscaping there, and over here we'll do some crushed limestone path here around this. Because of the grade change along here, we're gonna build this up a little bit. All right, so we finally got this little speed bump worked out here. We got our pipe turned down, buried, goes back over for the irrigation. Everything else is dug and pretty much ready for liner, then rock. We're gonna get this pipe buried up and hit it. All right, so we finished digging it. We got the underlayment liner in place. And so now we're rocking, almost finished with the rocking. Melvin thinks he's finished with the rocking. He wants to start graveling. Got the waterfalls in place here. We're gonna have a waterfall there, another one right here, and another right there, waiting on the foam to cure. We'll come back, fill all that in with rock and gravel, and I will cover the excess foam up with some nice living moss. And then we'll get all this landscape back here in the back so you won't see any of that plastic or rubber. We're getting the skimmer box hidden over there. Melvin's working diligently at that. Yeah, we're nearing the end of the day. We're actually at the end of the day. We've got a beautiful dwarf Japanese maple, heuchera, some juniper, creeping jenny, impatiens, a plum yew, large hostas, more euchera, coneflower, autumn ferns. So we'll get this thing landscaped, and I'm gonna bring in some crushed limestone and just give it a little bit of an interactive space here for the kids. All right, so here we are next morning. I'm back out. I've got to finish up some edging stuff along here, get a bunch of that moss, real moss, lab moss, covering up our foam here, and it'll just grow down in there and seep down into it. But it's gonna look great. Looking forward to getting this thing rolling and landscaped.